The 2010 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual front airbags, automatic stability control, child safety locks, bucket seats, bed liner, clock, trip odometer, power windows, tachometer, cup holders, 4-piece floor mat set, telescopic steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.